got a new job for here. I've got the work schedule. We've got 10 weeks to do this job. However, I want to prove a point. I want to prove a point that our gang's the best out of everybody, that we absolutely rock. So, we're going to do it in 3 weeks. Yep.
Here we go again.
No holidays, no days off, no sleep. All right, we're going to go for it this time. Just pure graft, but remember, it's all about that safety thing as well.
But it should be about safety and productivity.
All right, so just to recap, 3 weeks to do this 10-week job, no breaks, we'll just crack on. I will get rewarded with another job when we finish it in time.
I want to apply safety, but there he goes again after his own glory. And if anything goes wrong, it's our fault.
All right, who's up for it?
Champion. Yeah, nice.
Come on then, lads.
Gear sorted out for Sunday. Cheers, buddy. Let's have that one.
Sling.
Is that the only one?
Yeah, only one.
You okay? This is no good. I've only got one sling, mate, and it's not in
Good
date.
morning, fellas.
We can't do it.
Right, boys, listen, I've got the work schedule here. Really big job today. Are we all ready to go? Yeah? Fantastic.
Boss, we're short of safety equipment and tools.
Safety gear. Right, okay then. I'll tell you lads, look, we've done it once before, we can do it again. If we're short, we'll just have to get cracking on with it. Alright, the reason why they've given us this job is where they're doing gang. Alright, they know that we get it done. So look, just get the gear and let's go, fellas, alright? Just get on with it.
Well, 2 men down and the contract's getting shorter. It's just not on. What's the crack?
Don't you worry about that, big fella, alright? You're that big, you can do 3 men's jobs. I've seen you do it before, we'll do it again. We need to just crack on, lads, alright? Stop moaning, lads, and let's just get on with it.
But boss, we're 2 slings down. I'm still waiting for a new pair of boots. Tommy went blind last week. We're a bit under the cosh here, mind.
Look, boys, listen to me, alright? We need to get motivated here. Forget about the safety gear. Romans are built on a day. There's a job that needs done. Pick it up and let's go, alright? Come on.
I bet someone gets hurt today, but let's get on with it.
Football last night.
Nah, I didn't, mate. I was working here.
Newcastle beat Sunderland 5-0.
Oh, get it.
Whatever I do, just don't look like a prick in front of your new teammates.
Oh, here's a new lad, look.
All right, lads. How you doing?
All right. Not bad. Right, you know everything they taught you in that training school is total rubbish.
I thought it was spot on.
Yeah, well, I've heard it runs a bit differently on site, so don't worry about me. I'll be sound.
Yeah, just a bit, mate. Basically, what we do is we do as much as we can, as quick as we can. We lift as heavy as we can, just get the job done. And if that goes wrong, we blame the Philippine lads because they don't speak English.
This isn't right. It's like being with a bloody thick caveman. The Philippine lad seems okay to me.
That's the way you do it around here, yep?
Pretty much.
Aye.
All right?
Aye.
Sound by me.
Come on, let's crack on.
Okay.
enough time. Hello? Yeah. Well, what do you mean the deadline's been brought forward? We're already under enough pressure as it is. But what do you want me to do about it? Yeah, well, I'll tell you what, thanks very much to you too. Right, need to get the lads. Pressure. Not enough lads, not enough time. Right. Pressure, deadlines, I'm sick of my job, mate. Right, boys, what's happening here? Yeah, I'm only working too, what's going on?
Boss, it's only 7 o'clock now. I don't get paid till 7:30.
Look, don't give me that, alright? I need you to get ready now. I need you to get ready to get ready. This wasn't like this in my day. We'd be ready at 5 o'clock, ready to rock and roll. So shut your mouth, get on with it, and let's do it, okay?
Christ, here we go. We're here half an hour before work, all the kit's ready, and he's still kicking off. I know I should point it out, but I just don't feel like I can.
My name's Greg. I've just started with the company. I've just been through the training school. I'm looking forward to getting out on site and meeting the gang and putting into practice everything I've learned at the training school. A little bit apprehensive, don't know how I'm going to be received, but you know, hopefully it'll be well, and yeah, looking forward to a prosperous future in the company. Some of my concerns are hopefully, you know, making sure I get everything right, that I put everything into practice that I've been told, keeping myself safe and all of my colleagues around me, making sure that we all go home safe together, and making sure the job's done right, properly and safely also.
My name is Bobby. I'm a foreman and I've got 6 guys in my gang. I've worked hard over the last 12 years to get this position. Get a lot of job satisfaction when we get the job right. Obviously the lads get a lot of credit for it. Always push to do the next bit. I get my satisfaction out of seeing the lads motivated and getting the job done. And I'm just now wondering how I then step up and just push myself to get that next step further.
I'm Jeff, been with Balfour Beatty for around about 16 years now. Worked my way up through the ranks, started off as a trainee, come all the way through, come up the school of hard knocks, brought up the way when men were men. Bit different in my job now. I realise that, you know, that times are changing. Sometimes I struggle to juggle with how I was taught and trained and how I learn with how we've got to do it today. Some of it I don't agree with, some of it I do though. So I'm learning. I'm always trying to see new opportunities, trying to improve the relationships between me and the lads who work for me. Because I always remember when I was coming up how I used to look at the lads in charge of me, and that's something that I always try and keep in touch with, is that I remember the good leaders and I remember the bad leaders, and I'm always trying to improve my leadership potential. That's one big question I always ask myself constantly: how can I improve my leadership performance?